Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're looking at a 2017 Ram 1500 Sport Quad Cab. Under the hood, we have a 5.7-liter V8 Hemi and 8-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in true blue, and it looks fantastic. You got the Sport hood there. I do love the look of it, and you got some chrome accenting on the grille there as well. And we do also have bifunction projector-style headlights right here. They are very bright, and you got your fog lights down there as well. And coming around the side here, we do have 20-inch rims with Goodyear Wrangler brand tires. They look great, still lots of tread left on them, and I do like those rims. They stand up very nicely. You do have heated exterior mirrors here as well with the turning signals on them, and we also have a 6-foot box here, so we'll come all the way to the back. We do got that 4x4 logo, and we do also have our backup camera. 6-foot box does have the back box liner on it as well, so nothing will be getting scratched up back here, and tons of room to haul whatever you might need to. Okay, we got our keys here. We got 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock, and we do have 2 presses to activate your remote start, which is especially nice in the winter. It'll get nice and warm for you, and you won't have to go outside in your pajamas and get all cold, because no one likes doing that. But let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. Now on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all controlled right here. Plus this guy does bring in your mirrors. You have some chrome accenting on the handle here. You got a handle here, and you got some more storage down there, as well as some down here with a water bottle holder right there. I did forget to mention you do have the running boards along the bottom, which are very nice, especially if you're a little bit shorter like I am. Helps you get on in. You do have your seat control here, so backward and forward, as well as the tilt and the lumbar support. And the interior is very spacious, very nice. You do have leather trimmed seats. They look great, and they're very soft as well. Now over here we do have the control over our lights, so we have our auto, our off, our daytime running lights, and our low beams all here. Plus you do have your controls over your in-cabin lights right there as well. And if you press it in, you do have your fog lights. Right here are the controls over our high beams. We have our turning signals and our windshield wipers. Okay, let's start her up. So key in the ignition, and we are good to go. Now in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. We also have how many kilometers we've been, which is only 9,000, not very many at all. You also have your battery life and your oil up there. Now we can also change that around in the center from our speedometer. We can change that around to, there we go, our vehicle info. We have our fuel economy, our trip A, our trip B. We have our trailer tow, audio, stored messages, screen setup, and then back to your speedometer. It's all controlled from right here on your steering wheel, as well as you have your voice recognition, your call out button, horn in the center, and your cruise control options on the other side right there. And around the back of the steering wheel here we do have volume up and down, as well as a source changer in the middle, and on the other side there's an identical one for your channel. Now in the center we do have an 8.4-inch touchscreen display here with Uconnect, so you have your AM, your FM, and your Sirius XM all there, as well as you have your media devices here if you have one hooked up through aux cord, Bluetooth, or USB. You have your controls here over your heated seat, heated steering wheel, backup camera, mirror dimmer, all those guys there. Then you have your apps here if you want to access any of those. You have your climate control here, so you can control your heat and cold and your AC and all that in there. Then you can turn the menu off if it is too bright. As well, you have your phone options right here if you do want to hook one up through Bluetooth. And when you do shift into reverse, you do have your backup camera there. And to shift, you do have this guy right here, which is your shifter, so just like that. As well, you do have the controls over 4-wheel, auto, lock, low, your 2-wheel, and all that there. Over here, we do also have our climate controls and our audio controls. So we have our volume up and down with the mute, screen off, hazard lights, back button in the browser there. You have your AC, circulation, heat up and down, as well as the power here, the off button, the front and rear defrost, and then you also have your trailer tow or trailer brake here. You have your traction control, your tow and haul mode, your heated seats, heated steering wheel, and the same for the passenger. You got your little storage container here and some more storage in here with a place to put your phone. It sits right there. Then you got some cup holders right there, and you have an armrest which does double as a storage container. So you got the top layer here, and this one does have your USB and your aux cord. And then you also have your bottom layer here. Lots of room in there to put whatever you might want to. And then right over here we do also have a dual layer glove box. So you get the top layer up there and the bottom layer right there with your owner's manual inside of it. And then right up top we have a universal garage door opener right there. And this guy does control the little window in the back. Okay, let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. Now on the door you do have your control over your windows. You have the same chrome accent in here and a handle here. You do have the same seats, the leather trim seats. They feel awesome back here and it's very comfortable. You can also lift this guy up like this and you have some additional storage just underneath there. You have the same on the other side and some cup holders right there. As well, you can fold this out just like this and you do have a flat surface to put stuff on top of, and you can do the same with the other side. Then you got even more room. And there's our 5.7 liter V8 Hemi. Well, that does it for my welcome video, the 2017 Ram 1500 Sport. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to one of our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.